Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to activate your Verizon eSIM. Start by downloading and opening the My Verizon app on the device you want to activate. Once the app is open, sign in with your Verizon account details. After signing in, go to the Shop section, then select Bring Your Device. You may also see activation prompts within the app. Follow these prompts carefully, accept the terms, and confirm your device. Next, the app will ask you to authorize the activation. You can choose to use an existing line or add a new one. If adding a new line, you will receive an authorization code via text. Enter this code in the app and confirm your choice. Once your device is authorized, the app will guide you to install the eSIM. Tap Add or Activate on screen to start the eSIM download and installation process. This will take a few moments. After the installation is complete, check for signal bars and your Verizon network name at the top of your screen. Try making a call or sending a message to make sure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.